Michelin has launched the CrossClimate 3 Sport, an all-season tyre with a sporty edge. But can it really take on the Pilot Sport 5? A purebred, ultra-high-performance summer tyre? It's a battle of adaptability versus specialization, year-round confidence against peak summer grip. Let's find out which trade-off matters more. Throughout this comparison, you see the performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 set as the reference point at 100%. These test data are sourced from Auto Motorsport recent Michelin Tyre Test 2025. We start in wet braking. The Pilot Sport 5 stops in 30.8 meters, while the CrossClimate 3 Sport takes 34.7 meters. That's a 3.9 meter gap, about 11% longer. On the wet handling track, the Pilot Sport 5 clocks in at 97.4 seconds compared to the 104.1 seconds of the CrossClimate 3 Sport, a difference of 6.7 seconds, or about 6% slower. The verdict? It's clear the Pilot Sport 5 dominates in wet with sharper grip and faster response. On dry tarmac, the Pilot Sport 5 also holds the edge. Braking takes just 36.8 meters versus 38.4 meters for the CrossClimate 3 Sport, about 4% longer. In dry handling, the gap is tighter, just 1.94 seconds slower, or around 2%. Surprisingly, the CrossClimate 3 Sport stays really close, but the Pilot Sport 5 still shows its precision advantage. When it comes to efficiency, the CrossClimate 3 Sport shines. It offers about 18% lower rolling resistance than the Pilot Sport 5, meaning better fuel economy or EV range. When it comes to mileage, looking at the UTQG treadwear estimates, the Pilot Sport 5 is expected to last roughly twice as long as the CrossClimate 3 Sport. The summer tyre delivers durability alongside performance. However, winter is where the CrossClimate 3 Sport leaves the Pilot Sport 5 far behind. Even without dedicated testing, it's clear that the all-season with 3-peak mountain certification will vastly outperform a summer-only tyre once temperatures drop. When it comes to pricing, the CrossClimate 3 Sport comes in at 15% more expensive than the Pilot Sport 5. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sport brings true year-round usability with impressive performance. We were surprised how close it stays in dry, though the Pilot Sport 5 still delivers the sharper edge in both wet and dry grip. The UHP summer tyre remains a clear step ahead, but the gap is narrowing fast as Michelin's all-season sport tyre continues to close in.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.